Charles Conwell will be fighting Jorge Garcia. I'm pretty much looking forward to this fight. Conwell is undefeated. On the other side, Garcia was having some decent matches, but he had many ups and downs, and I gotta say that his superb performance against Kudratillo Abdukakorov is telling me that this guy isn't gonna give up, and I think he's gonna be much of a challenge for Charles Conwell. He was better than Hell Cruz, Abraham Juarez, Rarke Knapp, and there were many top tier opponents that he has faced. And Conwell, so far, is perfect. Never been knocked out, never been knocked down. 5'9", 70.5 inches of reach. He destroyed Gerardo Vergara, Chiari Gray, Nathaniel Gallimore. Juan Carlos Sobrero was a close fight, but I think he shouldn't have a hard time defeating Jorge Garcia. Everything else aside of Charles Conwell's victory, he is going to be a massive upset. So I'm saying Charles to win.